In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the reports menu. First, let's click on reports on the top menu bar. Now, a few different reports available in this window, and at the time that you're watching this video, you might even have more options in here as we're continuously adding reports to the system. Let's start with a performance report. We'll click on the first one, which says a stock ID. Now in this window you can get a weekly or monthly report. Let's click on weekly for now. Here in this chart here, it shows you how many people have clicked on your ads and have actually seen your ads, and it shows it based on each individual stock number. And you can sort through these all these columns by just clicking on the top header. For example, if I want to sort it from the most clicks to the lowest, I just click in here. As you can see, it gets sorted by the number of clicks. Or if I want to sort them by make of the car, I could just click in here. Same information is also shown here in this chart. Now if I click on the monthly report, it will be the same information, same idea, but just over a 30-day period instead of 7 days. So most likely these numbers will go up. Let's click on monthly. As you can see, you just got higher numbers in here. Now this is a demo account, so we don't use this account to post a lot of ads. So your report might look a little bit different, and technically should be it should show more records in here. Now let's move on to the second report. It's the titles. Again, weekly and monthly, and this is a very handy report. As you know, you can have different templates for your ad titles. If you're not too sure which ad title better attracts your customers, you can do some experiments. You can post some ads with, let's say, your title 1 template, and you can post some other ads with template 2. And when you come here, it shows you how many clicks you've had for each title template and on which stock number. And again, if you click on any of these headers here, you can actually sort the information for that column. So let's say if I click on stock, and as you can see, these two, the first two rows, these are actually the same car. They're the exact same stock number. When we use title 2, we have 33 clicks. That means 33 people actually clicked on the ad to view it, and title 3, only one person did it. So in this case, we know for sure that title 2 is performing better. So you can do some experiments and based on this report. And if you click on monthly, it will be the exact same kind of report, just over a 30-day period. Again, if I click on stock, as you can see, we have 33 clicks versus 5 clicks. So obviously title 2 is performing better for this particular stock. Now let's move on to time slot. Again, weekly and monthly. Let's start with weekly. Now this report shows how many times your ads have been viewed in a particular hour of each particular day in the last 7 days. So for example, if I scroll down here, between 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. We've had 43 clicks, and then you can also see it for each individual day. And you can browse through the days. And if I click on the monthly report, I get pretty much the same report, but over a 30-day span. And as you can see, as I scroll to the right, I can go through the days and just get an idea to see, which day of the week is my busiest, and what time of the day we have most of the people searching for our type of cars. Let's go to live ads. Now in this window, you can actually view the ads that you have live on CL website. first you would need to select the area. If you normally post in one area, so there should be just one city in here. But if you post in multiple areas, then you get to select one from the list. So I'm going to select Vancouver for now. If I click on View All, it will actually show me all the live ads here in this window down below. If I click on by date, I can select the date. For example, I can say, okay, I want to know how many ads we've had on October 2nd. And if I click on Go, it will pull up all the ads, if any, that we've posted on October 2nd. If I click on View by Stock, I can select a particular car, for example, this GMC Sierra, and once I click here, it will show me all the ads that we have live for that particular stock. And finally, if I click on View by Stock and Date, I get to choose the car from this list down below and also the date. For example, let's say October 5th. If I click here, it will show me all the ads that we have for this this particular car on that particular day, if any. These as you narrow down your search, your results is going to be less, or you may not get anything. And once I click here, it will show me all the ads that we've posted for this particular car on this particular day. Now let's go to the second type of report from top menu bar. Let's click on posting. Now first we need to set the date in here, and what we will be able to see is how many new ads we've posted, how many ads we've had published, how many of the ads that we posted are ghosted in the system and do not really show up in the search, and how many of the ads are being flagged, how many ads were renewed, and how many ads were deleted. Obviously you see zeros because today we haven't posted any ad, but if I go back, you can go back a month, and 30 days, that's the most you can go back in this particular report. So if I click on October 12th, as you can see, there's been 3 ads. 3 ads were published, and we've deleted 5 ads, and none of our ads were ghosted or flagged or renewed. If I click on Show Details, it'll actually show me the those cars that we've added, and it shows the CL ID of that particular posting. Also, which title template was used to post these ads. Published, same thing. Ghosted, obviously nothing here, nothing renewed. If I click on deleted, it shows me here which ads have been deleted. Now this is a demo account, so we don't really use this account to post any ads. That's why you see such low numbers, but yours should be higher as you use the account. Let's click on inventory. Now it shows us you know, how many cars we have in our inventory that we have not set a price for them yet, how many items we have that we have no photos, and how many we have sitting in our old inventory, either sold or somehow removed from our inventory, and they're not active anymore. If I click in here, it gives me the list of cars that have no price. So if you want to go back and make sure every car that you have in the inventory has a price, you can browse through this list and fix them one by one. No photo, obviously there's nothing because it shows 0 in here. That means all our current inventory, they all have pictures. And old inventory, if you have a need to go back to view your old inventory for any reason, you could just click in here and it pulls up the report. And actually it tells you on which day which data it was created, was added to the system.